fastest bikes. The most forward-thinking manufacturers, the riders, athletes with hunter mentality, at the peak of physical fitness, talent and skill, and always calculating their next move, with more overtakes, more drama, and more adrenaline. The rear wheel drifts, the fastest laps, the final corner moves, the reigning champions, the plucky underdogs, the legends and the upstarts. The times when you can't look, and those when you can't look away. Their eyes not only on the checkered flag, but on that ever-moving finish line called progress. It's time for the